Welcome to this session. In this session, we'll talk about how to use different quilling tools to make basic quilling shape or different types of quilling design. First, we will talk about quilling needles. Quilling needle is a very simple instrument like a pen with a slot fitted on the tip in which we can insert one end of the quilling strips to roll it. While rolling, we must place our thumbs, index and middle finger such a way that the coil should not get scattered. Now this coil is ready. Now if we want to roll a wider quilling strips, then we must need a quilling needle with a wider slot. So there is different shape and size of quilling needles available in the market. As per requirement, you can choose it. There is a similar instrument is known as super quiller. It is battery operated and it's also having a slot on the top. You can roll a quilling paper very smoothly and very fast with the use of this machine. When you are habitual with the normal quilling needle, then it will be useful. Now we'll talk about quilling board shape. Quilling board shape is basically a board with different shape is given as shown. In this quilling board shape, you can see circle, triangle or different heart shape, different type of shape is there. We can make different type of shape or we can get some assistance to make different type of shape from this quilling board shape. But the most useful things is here when you want to make same size coil more than one. I mean when you want a number of same size, exactly same size coil, then if you do it manually, simply it may not be exactly equal with on with others. But if you use this board to make loose coil, definitely the size of the coil will be same with each with other. Now quilling crimper. It's a very simple tool to make the quilling strips in zigzag fashion. It is basically to decorate any leaf edge or any petals outside or any other decorating purpose. This is what quilling crimper. Now quilling comb. Quilling comb is look alike normal day-to-day usable comb. We can roll quilling strips in quilling comb to get a unit of quilling by which we can make petal and we can make any other shape required in the quilling work. As shown in the demonstration, you can use quilling comb in this way to roll or to wrap the quilling strips around and take out this, put a glue to seal it so it will not scattered and you can make some shape, whatever shape you want. Here it is a simple petal shape. Similarly, you can use normal comb. When the strip is more lengthy or you want long strips or you want a long design, you can add on or two more strips together. Then the quilling comb will be not sufficient to wrap around, so you can use the normal comb similar way as we have used in case of quilling comb. So similarly, we can wrap around the comb as shown in the video. Now take out the things. Here I have fold it as it's too long and put a little glue to join both to make another shape of flower petal, or you can make it a wing of dragonfly like this. This is what quilling comb. Now border body. Border body is basically used for different size and different shapes ring coil. Ring coil, when you want to make a triangle ring coil or a circle ring coil or a square, whatever it is, of any size, you can make a perfect ring coil by using border body. Just simply wrap around the dies and seal the end with little glue. The ring coil is ready. So it's a beautiful triangle ring coil. Similarly, we can make a rectangle or round shapes ring coil of any different size. Simply wrap around and on the end put a glue to seal the coil so it will not open up. And now take out. Now the square ring shapes ring coil is ready. So it is a very useful tools to make different shapes. Now this is what mini mold. Mini mold is used to make 3D petals or 3D like earrings, etc. To show it very clearly, I will use a long strips by making 2 or 3 strips together with the help of adhesive. So with a long strips, I can show you better. First, make a long strips as shown and then roll it to make a tight coil. In between you can adjust so the coil will roll nicely, otherwise it may scatter. It is quite difficult to make a bigger tight coil than the smaller one, so you have to take extra care while you are making a bigger tight coil. Now you have to seal the other end so it will not open up. Make it perfect by pressing both the side on the base. Now start molding. Start with the bigger sphere and then small and then smaller, then smaller. It will start taking shape of spheric shape. So you can make a beautiful earring or beautiful flower part, fruit, or any decorative parts. It's the basic of 3D quillings. So it is a very useful instrument. So here we have shown you the widely used quilling tools like quilling needle, quilling comb, quilling crimper, quilling shape board, border body, mini mold, etc. Use more and more, practice more and more to make a perfect shape. Thank you.